1 in domain, all right? And we're going to find the domain of y equals the square root of x. Remember, domain is your x value. Now here's the graph. If you'll see this here, you'll notice that it's only positive x values, because if I could square root a positive, but I cannot square root a negative. If you go to your table and you type this in, you'll see the word error, which is really easy to find the domain, because it's going to be the values from wherever your error, the number right above the error. Everything below that will not be possible. So the domain is x greater than or equal to 0 will be my domain for the normal square root function. All right? Or we write it in the bracket format. 0 is part of the solution, because 0, the square root of 0 is 0, which is a answer. So what about this one here, square root of x plus 5? Well, notice that would shift the graph over to negative 5. So if you'll notice at negative 6 we have error, so basically every number from negative 5 on, because negative 5 plus 5 would be 0, and I can square root 0 to give an answer of 0 for a range. So basically x greater than or equal to negative 5. Or in bracket format, bracket negative 5 to infinity. So about minus 5, let's essentially move the graph the other way. So now the graph would be at 5 instead of negative 5. Notice these are inside liars. Your domain will simply be your inside liar greater than or equal to infinity, as long as the x values are positive here. So we have 5 to infinity. So let's look at our domain. So all of these right here will simply be x greater than or equal to 4, x greater than or equal to 2, x greater than or equal to negative 2, or x greater than or equal to negative 124. And if we go with the bracket format, you can see what the answers is with our brackets. Basically, whatever we have in here, our values have to be positive, all right? We cannot have a negative x, because we cannot have a negative square.